Now we come to the so what does secure means? Like in your point of view, what does it mean secure? Let's see. Secure means confidentiality. So, for example, if there are some documents, okay, if your result we have it, or any official documents, so you might have seen it is written Siri on that one. Have you noticed on the top of that one? So that is on the non-digital documents. But what about the digital documents? How you can make it like confidential over there, so that only the required people can, the authorized people can see over there. Okay, so it can be achieved through even the user login, username and password, or through authorization, access control, who is authorized to see it and who is not authorized to see it. So the definitions, see now, confidentially ensure that the computer related assets, so assets means it can be a data, it can be software and hardware, are accessed only by authorized people. Authorized means allowed user. Okay, it means only authorized people can see it. For example, if the president sent a document to the dean, okay, so only the dean is authorized to see the document. Other faculty is not authorized to see the document. Okay, if for example, if there is a marks coming for the final exam, so only the teacher is authorized to send it to the dean over there, so they are authorized over there, right? So similarly, some documents in a company, if the CEO send it to the manager, so manager is only authorized to see the documents. Other end user, they are not authorized to see the documents. So that is called the authorizations of that one. Okay. Now the second thing is, okay, so we have integrity. Integrity means like a salama, or means like make it for example, people could not change it. Anything which is in its original form, anything which is original form, the asset which is the original form, is called integrity. So how to ensure this integrity? You need to make it like a encrypted this one through tashfir over there. So integrity means assets can be modified only by the authorized parties. Okay, for example, if you have a bank data, so only the bank people can change your data over there, right? So if someone else change it, so it means your data is not doesn't have integrity over there. If the hacker change it, it's not an integrity. If some other people change it, so it means there is a problem. If your account has a 3,000 real and tomorrow you see it's a 2,000 real, so it means your account, there is a problem in the integrity of your data assets over there. Availability means like your assets must be accessible to the authorized party at a proper time. So availability means is relevant to the time. Okay? For example, if you want to register for a course, okay, and the SIS is available to you, so it means, it means it's a secure. If it is not available, it means it is down, or it has been hacked, because it's not available to you and it's a registration time. For example, the last week was a registration time, so in that time some people accessed it and it worked, but for some people it was not available because of down server, or that is a legal way. For example, legal way is a lot of people over there, or sometime in case if it has been hacked, so information will not be available to you. So these are the three important factors, which is called CIA. So this is called, C is for confidentiality, I is for integrity, and A is for availability. So it's a short acronym for CIA.